Hi everyone, I'm Holly and I am opening a box today from my dear friend Jody at Gourding Around. And it came in the mail and it was just so dang cute and I just had to show you. So Jody always does such a great job on her packages. She is an artist, obviously, with Gourding Around. And the deal with the Gourding Around is that she makes these awesome creatures out of gourds. And I actually have, I have hundreds, I would bet, at this point, but most of them are still packed away. But we have a couple here. I absolutely love this little gnome, and then Jody knows that I love rainbows, so we have this cutesy little unicorn. I have this super fun gnome riding a crow, and the details are just amazing. I'm hoping that you can see everything there without it trying to focus on me, but yes, I just love them. And Jody started out as my customer just ages and ages and ages ago, and now we just trade back and forth. There is no money exchanged. You want it, you got it. That's just kind of how we roll. Oh my goodness, these bunnies are just so cute. Now, I did want something in particular, and so Jody did ship this fairly quickly for me, but she was also making me a surprise, and so I am just incredibly excited for this. And I must say, this box is so long and fabulous. I love it. And Jody always gets the most amazing tissue paper. The most amazing tissue paper. I don't think she shops on Amazon and stuff quite like I do. I do think she gets around into some locations. Whoop. So here we have this is beautiful tissue paper and a cute little frog sticker. She does all these little gourd creatures. She does I don't know if creatures is a good name. What would you call them, Jody? Why am I having a blank right now? But she does note cards, so like this, hide myself. So this is like a floral pick, and you can just have all sorts of these to make a cute bouquet, of which I do. We did a rainbow rose collaboration eons and ages ago, and these are just things I've gotten since I've been here because I have so much. And they are just beautiful things that bring me joy. And Jody okay, I'll go get those too. These are my Christmas ornaments. I just have them in this cute little Lowe's bucket. Isn't that adorable? Jody knows that I love huckleberries and bears, so she made me this adorable ornament that has the cutest bear and the huckleberry. She's made like our cat Kit Kat. She made me the most adorable one of Kit Kat. And this one, oh my goodness. And she just knows I love gnomes. I just love gnomes. They're so stinking cute. It started ages ago, which I'm gonna keep doing this. Hold on. I have these stashed all over the place. Anyways, this is my Santa gnome, and the cute little nose, I just can't get over it. And it started just eons and ages ago. Jody sent me a little hanging ornament, and it was a Santa gnome, and it had the cutest little nose, and now I love gnomes. So she started it. So, but you just can look at them for so long. We've got this awesome holly detail. Why I don't collect more holly, I'm not quite sure. Oh, look, the milk bottle. This is the milk and cookies. So there's like a milk bottle, and all this stuff is probably a little dusty, so ignore that. So we've got my cute little huckleberry bear. And then, see, I see something new every time. So we have this little mushroom gourd gnome, and look, see, he's got, what am I doing with my hands? I really have no idea what I'm doing with my hands right now. Has this cute flower detail on his booty thing. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's see. This one Has more huckleberries. I love it. Oh my goodness. Anyway, this is stuff she made just for me. What am I doing with my hand? I'm so confused. Isn't it just so cute? Oh my goodness. She is an amazing artist. And then this one is kind of just, let's see, his name is Bamboo. And he is just a cute little bear holding a huckleberry. And he's got his cute little hat on. And he's got some holly on his hat. And as the details just go round and round, look at it. Anyway, I have bunnies. I have birds. I have, okay, I'm going to have to do a video sometime when I am able to start unpacking them. I'm going to have a display case of some sort in my house, I do believe. Anyway, I just get giddy. And I make a spray for Jody that she sprays on things. It's her custom scent. Alright, she always tucks in all these extras. So we've got chocolates. Oh yeah. Chocolates. And we got some strawberry candy and looks like some stickers. So fun. Oh, I've got a little post-it note with another little cute note on the top. It says, Holly, hope you love these. Love you, Jody. I love you back, Jody. Oh my goodness. Adorable. I've been needing something cute for in here to just write little notes on. Thank you. I love that. I will use it. Okay. Oh my goodness. We've got good stuff in here. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. Ah, it's the long box for the floral picks. That's smart. That is smart. Alright, so the first one is a cutesy little bunny. And again, these are just to put in like little vases and stuff. And we've got a little flower. So, here we have these. Are they not just adorable? Now, you too can have some of these amazing things. Go to Gourding Around, and I'll leave a link in my video. But you go to the Facebook page. You then need to join the group because it is a very just private, cozy group where Jody sells her craft. And so you go there and you have to answer the questions. And then when she has a little, she'll have these little releases. Adoption Day, she calls them, and then you see what you like and you comment. If you're the first one, you'll get it. So that's so cool. So these are decorative pins. Aren't they so cute? So we have a heart, and is it supposed to be a spool of thread? I think so. That's so cute. So like if you like to sew on a pin cushion, perfect. Ooh, this one is a cute little heart, kind of like my love note thing that I did. And then we've got a cupcake with a heart decoration on it. How fun is that? So fun. Oh, I really wanted some of these. So Jody sent me, she has new book hugs. And so they're like little magnets. Yeah, magnetic bookmarks. Look at them. And they're in these super cute designs. And so then because they are a magnet, then you can, let's open one. Oh yes, this is fabulous. Oh yes, this is fabulous. It's stuck. So yeah, it's just like a little magnet. And then you have this adorable stuff on it. Cute little design for your book. And then you do boop. And then you have your spot saved. I love that. I'm not very good at having legit bookmarks, but I'm very excited about this one. I have a couple of sock knitting books that I love from Summer Lee and who's the other? Denise. I think her name is Denise. And so I just flip through there, and that's just going to be so fun to save like sock patterns that I want to go to directly. Okay. Oh, a pin cushion. Yay, to go with it. And I see the thing that I ordered specifically, and I'm very excited because it's adorable. See, this is the thing. I order one thing and I get all the things. Oh, that's cute. A pin cushion. Oh, let's open this one. And I started doing some sewing last year once I uncovered some space in my stuff, and unfortunately I haven't gotten back to it, but this is probably going to make me much excited. Oh my goodness, it's like a little denim, pants. And look at this pin cushion. How clever. And it's a heart, and so then I can take my adorable little pens. Oh, so this is hearts. We've got like a jean pocket with a design and an owl. So adorable. And so then we're just gonna do this, and we're going to pop it into our adorable pin cushion. Oh, this is awesome. I love this so much. This is fabulous. Yeah, so they're like cute little felted. Oh, is this not just the most fun thing you've ever seen in your whole life? I love it. Now, Jody makes Sudsy sidekicks, and this is a beautiful rainbow one for me. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to put it right over here. And it's for washing your dishes. So this is just a nice fabric side just for your regular dishing, and then you have washing, and then this side is a little bit of more of a scrubby texture so that you can really get in there and clean up. So yes, this is the extra large Sudsy sidekick. So details. The Sudsy sidekick is a sustainable way to clean and reduce waste. Soft on one side, scrub on the other. Multi-purpose, suitable for bathing, 100% natural cotton and hessian. It is 100% biodegradable, made with long-lasting, all-natural fibers, reusable, available in a variety of fun colors. Simply toss your Sudsy sidekick in the laundry, lay them out to dry, and they are ready to reuse. So, isn't that fabulous? I love it. And so I have this other one. Ooh, it's like got, look at this awesome owl. Isn't that an owl? I'm pretty sure that one's an owl. But Jody's been making these for ages. And I remember brainstorming with her back in the day about these. Ooh, here's a salad one. Haha, summer salad. Fresh greens from the farm. Isn't that so cute? That's fabulous. And then I see this here, and I'm very excited about it because I need this in my life. And so now I have one because Jody read my mind. It is an eyeglass holder. So you can put your sunglasses in, or your eyeglasses, your reading glasses. Super soft material. I don't know if you can see in there. So fuzzy. And this one says, "Faith can move mountains." Love it. And it's purple, which you know was my thing. Thank you, Jody. I didn't even mention that to you. All right, so let's see what this one is. This one has a fancy. Am I just supposed to slide it out? No. Ooh, and I got note cards, which I was eyeballing those too. Oh! Look at this floral pick and this adorable bunny. Oh, that's so perfect. Oh, I love it so much. The purple polka dot dealio there. Let's open this. Funny story. My daughter has always gathered these, or collected the little organza ribbons. And I don't know that she would anymore. But when she was younger, she always would just gather those and collect them in a little decorative box. So she just always loved the ribbon. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my goodness. What's his name? Does he have one? He doesn't necessarily have a name. Oh, this is so cute. Look at it. So it's just a nice, oh, look at the back too. It's signed and everything. So this is a nice, heavy. I'm going to have to get my buy vase probably because I don't know where one would be. I love this color. We're going to go right on in. My mini split is making the weirdest sounds when it's like warmer outside. Anyway, look at this color. Isn't it amazing? The purples and the blues and then the dots of lime green. I love that. Thank you so much, Jody. And this is, well, we'll do everything else. So we have another cute little frog floral pick. Perfect because I need to get myself some new flowers. And then this was the card, and this is a mix, so let's look at all the different ones. So Jody has these printed at a very nice printer. They are high quality cards, and they have their own cute, bright envelope. Look, isn't he cute? So this is all her own artwork. So cute. That's an adorable, adorable bee. I love a fuzzy bee. And you can just tell the quality in this printing. It is just the greatest texture. So smooth. And it says, "You make life sweet." I love that. And then this one's just a thank you. These owls are adorable. Very nice. So see, now let's get to what I actually ordered. Isn't that funny? I am spoilt rotten. And it is, let's see, so I got a kitchen towel. Oh, there's directions. Well, how fabulous is that? Anyway, this I kind of wanted for some pictures for my Easter goodies. That might be the first time I've ever exhausted the battery on this camera, but I had not charged it, so I had just used it from a previous project. So look at this cutesy patootsy little hanging bunny. And I believe I just loved this fabric and everything. I was sort of obsessed with it. It's so cute and it's fuzzy and it's just going to be perfect in my pictures. I got a Sudsy sidekick with it, which look at that beautiful Easter fabric. So good. And then this is a beautiful towel. Look at this, a beautiful kitchen towel that Jody has sewn. Isn't this lovely? Adorable. Now there's directions on how to hang it, and then the loop comes back over and things. So I'll study that later. But isn't that beautiful? All of these wonderful goods, all handmade by my dear friend Jody. And she is in Arizona. She's a Texas gal in Arizona currently. Oh, I love it so much. Oh my goodness. Big thanks to Jody at Gourding Around for all these wonderful goodies. Not only is she just my dear friend, but she's just an amazing artist, and I'm so blessed to have her in my life. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Go check out Gourding Around on Facebook. Oh, and I believe there's a new website. I will try to link you to all the things so that you can also have some of these amazing goodies in your home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.